And with Maserati, I am going to be doing a decorate with me for the July monthly. We are going into August, but I am going to start using this, date it, and it's a year and a half. So it's an 18 month, not a year and a half, planner. So we have appointments, we have things. It's already been redated. This is already here, so that doesn't bother me. I am going to use this sheet from the Agenda 52 All Seasons. This is what I was looking for the this week here. Let me show you, because you're gonna be like, what? So welcome. Please subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Please give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment, and share the video. That'd be greatly appreciated. So the page I just showed you was the one that I previously did, and that's what I was looking for when it was the holiday for the 4th. Okay, so I'm using this plain old black pen, and I do have my planner next to me. So I'm going to go ahead and this is the Happy Planner July I have in here. So the holidays is already here. It's already gone. And what we're going to be doing now is decorating it, putting the appointments, and it should be good to go. And then any new appointments, which is right here, I have a new appointment for the 31st. So let's start off with decorations. So this says the 4th of July. I'm going to look, and it's just Independence Day. Not just Independence Day, but you know what I mean. So we are going to put that, like, right there. Because there's nothing in my planner stating I did anything that day. Okay, so the next thing is going to be appointments. So what I was looking for, which I don't even think I found, but I do have it in here, are little stickers like these for my appointments. And I just have like tiny stickers in this little box. Even holidays, even things that you wouldn't believe would be in here. Right here, here's some more. So it's probably not going to be like 4th of July-ish, but it's going to work. I'm going to make it work. So I'm just looking for any more that will stand out. See, like that would be too bad, but no. No. Okay, so that's a big one. Here's another one. So that should be plenty. There shouldn't be that many appointments. So the little boxes at Dollar Tree come in handy, and I think it's stackable of 3, something like that. Okay, so because this is colorful, so I don't think it would matter. And then we'll go ahead and do this one after. So this one is not an appointment, so I'm just going to do red because it took my money. This is car payment. Okay. So you'll see it. Like, this is number 1. 235. I don't like doing the dollar signs. And then red because it's, you know, an expense. Car 2. Board. And that is $392.94. Okay. Now the rest could just go appointments. The 11th. So what I'm going to do is flip it on this side. It makes it easier so you could see. We're just going to start off with this color. Okay, so there's 2 things going on the 11th. So Hinsdale. And then ER. So I went into the ER. And then I'm going to do this color. I don't know why I put it all the way up there. Wake at 1 p.m. And that is for Harry. So I'm going to do this side so it's easier. We could do the light blue for an appointment. It really doesn't matter. So a lot of these appointments had to get rescheduled. With the heat, that's why I see a vein specialist, a vein surgeon, because of my legs being swollen. Okay, so the 25th was another one. Let me know if you do this as well. Okay, so that's an appointment. There's another one. 11:15 a.m. Clearly it's a.m. Okay, now let's go on this side. I'm going to flip this one over. So this one has more of the stuff. So again, red for the 5th. Because clearly it's rent. And that's 1,200. Now I could use the sticker with the payday and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm not grabbing it. The 19th is an appointment which got canceled because I didn't get to finish the prep. So procedure, colonoscopy, that was at 8:30 in Hinsdale. Now I have to call because they have not called me to reschedule, which is ridiculous. Okay, so we did the rent. We have an appointment on the 6th, and then I'm going to put this one in yellow. It doesn't mean anything. So I'm not color coding. I'm just making it look cute. Deposit. So that's 100 deposit. Comprehensive. That's an appointment. And I probably don't have everything here. Because like I went to a comprehensive appointment this month too, so I'll have to look at that. 9 a.m. Okay. So we did the 19th. We're going to go to the 27th. I just had a call today to my eye doctor. I had to cancel this one, so this is rescheduled. Because... But I'm just keeping it in here so I know. Because my eyes are... Like, if you look at someone's hand, it looks green. So something's going on with my eye again. And then I have pressure above my eye. So I cannot play with that. I have to be like... So this one was rescheduled. And so was this one. Okay. The 15th we had a wake. So I'm going to go ahead and use... What color did I use? Yellow. 15th was a wake. 6:30. His name was Ricardo. It was the guy I was asking for prayer for. I did go ahead and pay my insurance. And that was $191.67. The 21st was an appointment. Oh, I ran out of blue. Oh, that's fine. It doesn't matter. 21st was an appointment. Loyola. And that's 10 a.m. PT. Okay, so let's open this back up. I'll show you what it looks like. So that is not all of them, like I said. And then the 31st, and I dropped my ruler. So I'm just going to use this. Okay, so to get a straight, look at this piece of hair. Really? Really, I was ready? Okay, to get it straight, use something that will help you. Because if I did it, I have another piece of hair. Like, really? Okay. So that just helps with lines and stuff. So here is, I'm going to put it sideways. Go back. Maybe I shouldn't have did it sideways. 11:30, and I'm just gonna put a dot so I know it's an appointment. Okay, so here's that one. So I have these 27th, the 19th, the 21st. I'm just looking at them. Looks good to me. Oh wait, and then payday. Okay, we don't have to put paydays. So there's that. Now I need to go in here to a further date and see when was the next appointment. This is the 15th. I didn't even finish filling this in. That's right, are you slacking? 16th, yep. I gotta finish filling this in, but that's okay. And then that goes back into my planner. So that is what it looks like so far. Let's go ahead and decorate now. So here we could put young, wild, and free. It's gonna look weird with that girl and then this girl. I prefer that one. Looks more realistic. Okay, so clear stickers are not the best. I'm gonna put celebrate. How about like that? July? No, we'll do it like this. I do want to change the color of the days. This is where I put these stickers. You'll see it from the beginning. And then I put these stickers in the back. So it's in here. Okay, so let's do red. Now, keep in mind you do not have to white these out because the mile liner helps. I definitely need more of these books. Especially this one. And like a date and holiday one. Tuesday. Thursday. It helps use these too, as well. I'm gonna love to see this so thick. With the Happy Planner, it's like I use it and I don't because I mean I use it, but then I'll set it up, use it, and then I get bored with it. But this one, I think you just have to use it because there's no turning back. Why does that keep going like that? And it's straight on the bottom. I mean, you can turn back, but then you're wasting the whole book again. And then your dates won't be even. There we go. Okay. So there's that. So now we can finish. Don't that look better? Sweet Freedom. We could put here. Definitely using that. Yeah. Okay. I kind of like that there. I don't know why. It stands out. This is crooked. Like, you couldn't see that. I don't know if it turned any better, but whatever. Show me the fireworks. So I'm going to put that for Sunday. They kind of do this all July, all of August, pretty much in Illinois. Life, Liberty, and the Pursuit of Happiness is going to go here. We're going to go the opposite way, this way. Because we have stickers going back to back. I like the Let Freedom ring. Land of the Free. We could put that at the end of the month. It's still not going to change. Put some fireworks. USA fireworks. Put an ice cream. How cute is that? We'll do it like it's shooting up. Like that. You don't have to use them all, but you know I'm going to, right? USA. Where do we want that? I think on a weekend. Like that. That's cute. This is just a floral, so we're able to use this here. Oh, it's a clear glass too. That's cute. July 4th. We don't really need that. Some watermelon. Home of the Brave. So we're just putting on words. We'll put this here above that. This is more of a summer thing, but still yet. 4th of July. None of this stuff I need. A little strawberry, that is so cute. I've never seen anybody make that yet. Where it's red, white, and blue. So you just need the blue frosting, white frosting, and then the red would be your strawberry. So that is it for that page. So that is how it looks, and then I'll go in if there's any, like I said, there's more appointments that happened. Like I had an appointment for the shoes that I got. There's a couple appointments missing. So I'll look at my notes and then, yeah. So that is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment. Share the video. That'd be greatly appreciated. And yeah, so eventually I'm going to have like probably in August I'm going to show a couple books and then have you guys pick the stickers for it, a sticker book. And then like the girls in like September changes, August changes, October's like pumpkins. So we'll do themes like that. Fall, Christmas, winter, or New Year's Day. And then February, Love Month. It's supposed to be St. Patrick's, but it's, I guess, changing your weight. April, just showing you the girls. It's like April showers. May should be flowers, but it's not. June. I guess it's the Juneteenth? Or is it Pride? No, wasn't Pride in July? I have no idea, to be honest with you. Here's July. It's like more of a picnic. August. So all of these are going to have stickers to change the dates. I'm going to do August now. That one's cute. I like that because it's like she's professional. Except never leave your bag on the floor. I was always told that. Pumpkin again. Fall again. I like that one. December. Still not Christmassy. It's winter with a gift. And then you have no pages. And then that's the end of it. So I'm going to go ahead and date November. I like the fact that they gave graph paper. They gave plain paper. Or no, decorated and graph. Yeah, so that's cute. And then that's the cover. What I'm thinking of doing, because this would make more sense, is slice it. Maybe use this as the front. Right? And then use this as the inside and that as the back. So I may go ahead and do that and just slice it so I don't have to cover this up. If I do, I would just put a white sticker right here. And then probably sticker it. But yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And I will talk to you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.